Hello, this video is about how to install Google Tag Manager into WordPress website. First step would be to create an account in Google Tag Manager. Then you have to set up a container for web pages and mobile web pages. As you have set up the account, then second step would be to go to the WordPress dashboard. Now there are two methods to install Google Tag Manager into WordPress. First method is through plugins. Second method is manually. Now there are plethora of plugins available on WordPress to install Google Tag Manager. What's recommended by Google is Google Sitekit because it is provided by Google itself. So it is more trustful. And security wise is also better. Now how to install this plugin? You have to go to the WordPress dashboard, then click on plugins, then search for this plugin Google Sitekit. As you find the plugin, click on install now. As you install the plugin, an activate now button will appear. As you click on activate now, the plugin will be activated and then a banner will appear on which it will be written, a button will appear, start the setup. As you click on start the setup, now Google will ask you to verify the ownership of your website. What's meant by ownership is you have to just log in through the Gmail ID from which you have verified your website on Google Search Console. As you start logging through that email ID from which you have set up authorized your website into the Google Search Console, the setup will be complete and plugin will be installed. But if you have not authorized through your website into the Search Console, Google will authorize it and then the plugin will be set up. As the plugin is set up, you have to go to the settings of the plugin because you won't find the setup guide to install Google Tag Manager into the dashboard of the plugin. As you go to the settings of the plugin, you have to go to more services, then you will find a button to set up Google Tag Manager. As you click on set up Google Tag Manager, you will be asked to log in through the ID from which you want to set up the Google Tag Manager. Then the accounts of that ID and the containers of that account will appear. Select the account, select the container which is set up in the start, and as you complete the setup, the Google Tag Manager will be installed. How to verify if it is installed or not? Install a extension in Google Chrome which is known as Google Tag Assistant. Then go to your website and check on the Tag Assistant. If the Tag Manager tag is installed properly, it will show into the extension. This is one method. Now, there are a plethora of plugins in WordPress, as I said. I can also give you an example of second plugin, which is header, footer, and post injection plugin. Again, you have to search for that plugin in the plugins, then install the plugin. And after you go through the setup, go to the settings of the plugin, and then you'll be seeing three boxes for header, body, and footer. Then go to the container of the Tag Manager. As you go to the container, click on admin. Below the container, you'll find a button called install Tag Manager. As you click on it, you'll find two codes. First code you have to paste just at the start of the header tag. Second code you have to put just at the start of the body tag of your website. Now copy the first code, go to the plugin, put it into the header box of the plugin. Make sure that you put it into the all pages of the header box of the plugin. Then second code you have to paste into the body box of the plugin. Then click on save. Again verify it through the Tag Assistant, and that's it. There are many more plugins, but I'll be giving the example of only two. Then there is manual method. Again, this is very simple method. Go to the WordPress dashboard, go click on appearances, then theme editor. In the theme editor, you'll find the script of the page. Then again, you have to go to the container, into the admin, click on install Tag Manager. Copy the first code, then go to the appearance theme editor of WordPress, then paste the code at the starting of the header tag. Then again go to the container, copy the second code, then paste it into the WordPress second body tag, just at the starting of the body tag. Then save it. Then again verify if the tag is installed on the website or not through the Tag Assistant extension of Google Chrome. That's it. Thank you.